Back with Business Tonight right here on ET Now.
Okay, let's take it then to an exclusive chat with CII's new president Adi Godrej, who's told ET Now that retrospective tax legislation has caused quite a stir in the country, and because it's fueled uncertainty, he believes all changes should be made prospectively. Godrej believes that India Inc. is really partly to be blamed for all the cynicism and negativity around us.
I think relations between government and industry are good. There may be disagreements. There may be different opinions about how we need to tackle the economic situation. And we expressed to the Prime Minister that one of the problems was that the perception was worse than the reality. We need to get the reality going much better, but we need to get the perception going better even more. And we offered that we will work to see that in business we improve the perception. And we would like government to look at that too. Not everything industry does depends only on government action. There's a lot we can do to improve ourselves internally. We can improve innovation, we can improve R&D, we can improve total quality management, and we need to turn the searchlight inward and see how we can do things better despite the economic environment, and we will concentrate on that too.
The retrospective tax legislation has been a very common practice, not just in India but even in UK, a country that's perhaps battling for Vodafone, and Vodafone is really the big issue why it has earned so much of spotlight. Is it not fair for the government to gear up and protect its own revenues? Is it wrong and unjustified to do so?
And the question here is, it's not a question of whether it's right or wrong. Sometimes even a right move needs to be changed because the sentiment it creates is so negative that it's going to lead to a lot of negative effect on the economy.
Some of the people that we've spoken to across the globe, of course, the government has got a whole lot of flack. I'm no one to judge whether it deserves it or not, but some of the people we've spoken to around the globe have a contra view. They believe that policy making cannot be held hostage or ransom to by one company.
No, I think the important point is, if there is an error, if a change that ought to have been done, say 10 years ago, 15 years has not been done, then the right way to do it is to do it prospectively, not retrospectively. That would lead to confidence, that would lead to people believing that they are going to be dealt with fairly. Once you resort to retrospective amendments, who knows what retrospective amendments you may bring in the future. So nobody knows whether what you are calculating today is going to stay calculated after 5 years.
Okay, let's get you another view from the private equity